If you have big financial goals, making an extra $1,000 a month can help you reach them faster. Don't know where to start? In today's video, we're going to tell you about some cool ways to make $1,000 a month. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing can be a good way to make money on the side. Even though the pay will probably be low at first, you can move quickly into work that pays more. Number 2. Virtual assistant. If you are well organized, you might do well as a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant can do a wide range of things, from answering emails to helping with customer service. A virtual assistant can be hired for a wide range of tasks, which is a good thing. Number 3. Online English tutor. People often make extra money by teaching English online. There are many ways for you to start tutoring English, since there are many companies ready to hire you. You can start your search on VIP Kid and Key Kids. Number 4. Data entry. Putting in data can be a boring job, but many businesses will pay you to help them with their data entry needs. To find paid data entry jobs, you'll need to pay attention to details. Number 5. Proofreading. If you have a good eye for grammar, proofreading is a great way to make money. As a proofreader, you can make about $20 per hour. Even though it can be hard to find your first proofreading job, a course like Proofread Anywhere will help you through the process. Number 6. Blogging. If you want to make money right away, starting a blog might not be the best idea. But if you build a blog up over time, it is possible to make $1,000 from it. Number 7. Social media manager. Social media is now an important part of running a business. Because of this, many people are willing to hire a professional social media manager to take care of their online presence. The owners of a business will be willing to pay you if you can manage their social media presence well. Number 8. Resume writer. With a good resume, someone can get the job they want. Most people need help writing the perfect resume, whether they just finished school or have been working in their field for years. You can then help them make a resume that will help them get a job. You can make a lot of money from each resume. Number 9. Graphic designer. Graphic design is something that takes both skill and imagination. Not everyone has those two things together. But if you can help them, they will be happy to pay you. With the right skills and experience, you could charge about $75 per hour for your services. Number 10. Website designer. In the modern world, a website is an important part of most businesses. Because of this, many people are willing to pay someone to help them make a website that stands out. So that's it for today. Was this video helpful? Share your views in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.